The following graph gives information about air temperature. Data of different areas are displayed on the map. According to this graph, the highest temperature areas are in African and South America. In comparison, the lowest temperature areas are in the Arctic and the South Pole. You can see from this graph that the moderate temperature areas are in China and Europe. To sum up, this graph talks about air temperature.
This picture shows the pyramid of food required by the human body. At the bottom, we can see water, which is the most essential material. Above water, there are whole grain foods such as rice, cakes, and biscuits. Then it is a level for fruits and vegetable. Grapes, oranges, and apples are in the fruit section, and broccoli, potatoes, and carrots are in the vegetable section. What's more, milk products, fish, poultry, and eggs appear on a higher level. At the top, a level stands for sweets and oil. In conclusion, all the levels in the pyramid are important for humans.
The following graph gives information about water wheels with different rotational directions. On the left, we can see a water wheel rotating anti-clockwise. Then on the right, there is another water wheel which is rotating clockwise. According to this graph, the water wheels are both overshot ones with a flume overhead, and through it, water flows down on the wheels. Finally, tail races lie below the water wheels, and they enable falling water flow away. To sum up, the graph tells us about water wheels.
The graph shows a different part of the tree. When we look at the top of the picture, we can see the crown of the tree, which includes leaves on top, a twig in the middle, and branches at the bottom. Under the crown, we can see a trunk, and it connects the roots in the soil. Finally, the crown of the tree shares a similar size with roots so that they provide a lot of information to scientists. To sum up, this picture demonstrates the structure of trees.
The following graph gives information about different kinds of solar eclipse. When we look at the left-hand side of the picture, we can see the sun. In the middle of the picture, there is the moon, which is on the moon's orbit. On the right of the picture, it is the Earth, and it orbits around the sun. According to the graph, the shade of the moon is called penumbra, creating the partial eclipse. Also, people in the middle of a shade called umbra will see a total eclipse. To sum up, this graph shows the formation of different eclipses.